Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by auditing what you already have and selecting 3 strong pieces of content to promote. This gives you leverage when asking for links. Once done, compile a short list of 10 target sites with matching audiences and note contact names or emails. Then craft a personalized outreach message that explains value quickly. Keep one template, but customize the first sentence for each recipient. Make sure to record dates and replies in a simple spreadsheet to now focus on creating clear value you can trade for a backlink, unique data, an infographic, or a short guest post idea that saves the editor time. Once ready, send a concise pitch. Start with a specific compliment, present the value you offer, and finish with a simple request for a link or collaboration. If you don't hear back, follow up twice over 2 to 3 weeks, each time adding fresh value or a new angle. Persistence plus relevance increases your success rate. Finish by ensuring each published mention contains a live backlink and proper anchor text. Check links within a week and politely request fixes if broken or wrong. Once done, scale by using broken link building. Find relevant 404 pages and offer your content as a replacement, which is highly effective. If links aren't coming, troubleshoot by reviewing your messaging, adjusting targets for better fit, and experimenting with timing. Iterate quickly and track, which approaches yield positive responses to refine your process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.